Wow. Show me more. Hey guys, welcome back to Waka Waka. Abby here. In today's vlog, it's going to be another grocery run. Since the lockdown a few days ago, this will be my first time that I'll be heading out to actually see what is going on out there, and I'll be shopping for groceries. So for my groceries, I like to stock up for like 2 to 3 weeks. The highest is usually 3 weeks, and that way I don't have to go outside regularly. So you come and shopping with me. See you in the rest of the vlog. Just about to head out. I'm just gonna show you guys. Can you see that it's raining? I'm just gonna wait it out. While waiting for the rain to stop, I decided to write down my grocery list, and as you can see, I have some tomatoes, some spinach, gizzards, and the rest. I guess the rain was a sign for me to actually do it, because I was just gonna walk around the mall and then just probably overshop. Thinking the rain had stopped, I headed downstairs and it was still raining heavily, so I decided to take the tricycle. Thank you. So I took the tricycle because when I came out it was still raining, and my plan was to walk, and since I didn't want to walk under the rain, so I didn't have enough money, I asked one of the kuyas on the roadside and he gave me 40 pesos, which I used to pay for my tricycle ride, which was really nice. I'm gonna pay him back once I go back, but it was just a nice act to see. So I'm just gonna go inside and look for Carla and go shopping. So this particular mall, Century City, has already upgraded to these machines that check your temperature and disperse sanitizers without the help of a security guard. See, I have some paint at home. I can bring for you.
Inspired by raining season. Nice job.
I think I'm gonna stay outside. I don't want to feel any fog. Oh, can you write my name? I couldn't resist staying out of the craft store, so I went in and got some tape for myself.
How can I make orange?
You need to
Mix it with
red
yellow?
with yellow. How come that everyone in the Philippines knows how to draw and paint?
Draw and paint?
Yeah, like almost everyone that I come across. Like her, I didn't even know she knows how to draw and paint.
But maybe based on the culture of the Philippines.
Yeah, probably. Like all of my classmates, like majority of them, they are really good artists.
I can draw, but I cannot paint.
Paint, yeah.
Yes.
So,
You cannot paint?
yeah.
Yes, only
Really?
drawing.
Okay.
Maybe it's natural to the Philippines.
Yeah, it is actually.
Well, natural skills, natural talent.
Yeah, that
something
comes.
like that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Painting is quite hard actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
Than
There are so many principles.
Yeah. Oh my God.
To study.
drawing.
Yeah.
Because drawing you don't need skills. You can just...
Yeah.
Only like carving, something like that.
Magkano to?
The mall is empty. Like there's
Now I'm
nobody
on your
here.
vlog.
I think you're the only one here. Beef, cheesy beef pinatubo. let the shopping begin. Filled up my basket, and one of the favorite thing that I always look forward to shopping is actually these noodles, and I literally live on this. We passed it, it's behind us.
The what?
Juice.
I don't want that one.
Oh, okay.
It is chili.
It's pepper. It's pepper.
Chili.
Pepper.
Chili.
Pepper. It's raining outside again. Oh my god, it's still raining like crazy. And I'm not even home yet. And there are no public transportation, so I have to carry this to my house, which is like 15 minutes away by walking. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Thank you. There's no transportation or anything. Thank you so much.
This for
Thank
me?
you. Yeah,
Okay, thank you very much.
Can I take a video?
Yeah.
Alright.